So I was coming back from the bowling alley, right? You know, I got my ball in my bag over and all that type of stuff. And you know, when you bowling, you got to keep your wallet and you're not trying to have your cell phone on you. So you usually use your bag for everything, right? Keys, all that type of stuff, right? I'm leaving it. I put my stuff in the bag, put my stuff in the trunk. I'm in the Chrysler 300. This is one of the best features. Like, wait a minute, why is it? Look, this is one hand. This is the other hand. I don't have anything in my hand. That's what I'm trying to show you guys, right? Nothing in there. There's not. I'm not pressing any buttons. Like, why is it? I'm not doing anything. It opens on. Like, what? Oh. Oh. I left the keys inside. The car knows. The greatest feature on the Chrysler 300, man. Don't tell me and don't ask me how I figured it out. I'm trying to get a screenshot real quick, but hold on, this is not even a good one. Hold on, how they be doing it? How they be doing it? Like, what would be more attractive? Like, would you guys want to see it like this so you can see the car? Yeah, this is probably it, right? But it's dark, so you can't really. I do it like that. Crazy. Let's go, man. Let's go Bodo. Yeah, and of course, man, of course I'm gonna do it with the keys inside the car. Of course, I'm gonna check and see, man, if you can just press this outside. Nope, can't even do it. Can't even do it. So don't worry about locking your keys in the car, man, because unless you, I guess if you in the car and you like lock the door and then get out and then come in, I think you screwed, but hold on, I'm grabbing the keys right now. Yeah, it worked. So without the keys, though, it don't work. Yeah, so don't worry about locking the keys in the car, man. Of course I'm gonna do that. Shoot, I don't know what else, man. Now, bowling vlogs is coming, man. I'm showing you guys bowling, man. That's something that I can do like every day. Like, honestly, man, keep it real. Oh, let me show you guys the car lights real quick. Hold on. You guys already know. Comment down below. Description down below, man, if you guys want to get you some door lights, man. I got red on the other side, you guys already know, but